Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is coming down quite deep now. It broke below that 25.44 level, at least briefly, but it's attacking it and it doesn't show any sign of a strong reaction. It's come down quite deep anyway. And I don't like the look of this move up. So I've made a small and tiny adjustment to the wave count, but this is only the alternative wave count that I explained to you I think in yesterday's video and the day before, that we have, of course, an alternative should 25.44 break, and I think it has a good chance of being broken. Bullish support below that is at 22.30, but below that level I have to assume that Solana topped only in 3 waves. Yeah. Until then we can remain tentatively bullish, but it's not a reliable structure. The altcoin market in general doesn't look very good. So at the moment we're still holding 25.44, which is that 50% retracement level. Below that I've got a cluster of structural support levels and $24, $23.30. These two were not respected on the way up, however, as resistance, but 22.30 was, or 22.40. And that is for me the last bullish reliable support level. I mean, it's not even reliable, it's come down too deep, but in an ABC structure, in a larger diagonal, I think it is a possibility, okay? So that's what I'm watching for. I'm not telling you it will definitely get there, so it's not a target, but it is support. So as long as it's holding above that level, a C-wave rally, I think, can happen with a reasonable likelihood. Below that level, it's not gonna look good at all. It will then come down too deep. We will also be able to, based on the latest count adjustment, if the FIB levels are relevant, then if I add the wave 2, just to show you, so $23 is the 78.6 FIB level. So anyway, a drop below that will already, move probabilities more in favor of a more direct drop down, but then we still have that 22.40 level as structural support. So typically we want to see that the 78.6 FIB level is holding, but a sustained break will send it down lower and invalidate most likely the current structure. So it's good that we have a little bit of distance to then be able to call it a sustained break if we have that support level there. As you can see, the 22.40 level is quite relevant because it was resistance before a few times here and here in May, April, lastly here in July a few times. So yeah, I think we are coming down. As I said to you, we had an Elliott wave, some kind of a triangle here. However, we could count that both waves either up or down, and indicated to you that the wave 4 had a wave 4 here with a wave 5 to the upside that we were observing. But I said if we break below that swing low of the 14th of July, that triangle count to the upside is completely invalidated. And it is very likely that we now had a triangle broken to the downside in this B wave. And if we look at the micro count, this was likely, let's see if it actually is a triangle, A, B, C, where the B wave was the triangle, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, B wave was the triangle and the C wave is currently coming down. A second, let me just change here maybe the wave degrees just a little bit. Yeah, so more like that. Yeah, where the B wave was the triangle, but broken to the downside, and now we could be heading our way down in a C wave of wave B. Just be aware that it would be good to hold that 22.40 level. That's my update about Solana. Good news is there is still some support left, obviously, and if we get a break above what I have labeled the B wave high at 28.50, we have a first indication that the C wave is running, but it's a bit too early to say where exactly it will go, because to calculate a target for the C wave, I need that B wave complete. So if we have the first indication, I can give you a target, right, for the C wave. Now that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.